Hi, Ashley Peterson here, the Oily Libra. I just wanted to share with you guys about the new amazing wellness programs that are starting up today, actually, on with doTERRA. They are pretty stinking awesome, and I can't wait to share them with you. So, our new wellness programs are for targeted wellness. It takes the guesswork out of things. It helps with immunity. Our relief one is for comfort, support, and soothing. Mind and mood is for balance, restoring, adapting. You naturally know what you need, so you can select which wellness product you want and get started on a 90-day program. Each month, you'll receive targeted wellness delivered right to your door. Products will become part of your daily routine. This isn't about a quick one-time fix. This is about lasting results. So why wellness programs? People can be confused about which oils to use to solve their concerns, forget to change their loyalty rewards order every month. They love their extra savings for being loyal. They're all about trying new products, the limited time offerings. Don't know what to add next. Don't know how to use what they already have. Don't want to spend a lot each month. Have sustained results and have simple routines. The highlights for the United States program, it launches October 1st. That's today. You get 3 kits in 90 days, one new kit each month. Each kit is $75. You set it and forget it. Like literally, you do not have to change your order. Just boom, go. There you go. You can choose one or multiple areas. We're talking about 3 kits right now. You can do one for 3 months, two for 3 months, etc., or do them all. It's completely up to you. The program education comes right with the products. It is pretty awesome, you guys. There is a thing that comes with it that explains how to use them. Unlock exclusive savings each month. You'll be able to add on specific products for an average of 20% off to these kits. It's similar to the discounts we get with the Lifelong Vitality Pack. You get unique premium size minis and other limited time offered oils. They are sustainable packaging. In the first month, you get a cute little reusable bag. Months 2 and 3, you get recycled craft pouches. And there'll be even more programs launching in 2021. So let's take a look at what we've got. The first one we're going to talk about is the immunity kit. In the first month, you will get a 15 milliliter bottle of wild orange, a 15 milliliter bottle of Purify, 15 milliliter of On Guard floss, On Guard sanitizing mist, On Guard toothpaste samples. You guys, we reformulated the toothpaste. Gotta try it. On Guard hand wash, and an orange case. By the way, the hand wash also comes with a foaming pump. Super awesome. Then in month 2, you'll get a full-size tea tree, a full-size grapefruit, a mini mouthwash. How stinking awesome is that? You can carry your mouthwash with you. On Guard soft gels, another On Guard sanitizing mist, On Guard beadlets, and a copper tongue scraper. I have heard amazing things about tongue scraping. I'm actually rather intrigued to get mine and see what that's all about. And then Immunity Kit 3. In month 3, you will get 5 of the On Guard hand wipes. Super awesome to wipe down your carts or, handles or whatever anybody has touched. Really great. Carry them in your purse. Good to go. You get an On Guard roller, a small breathe, a 4 ml roller of Frank, a stronger roller. That is our kids' immune blend. A 5 ml of oregano, a sanitizing mist holder, and a mini veggie caps. Again, super awesome because you can carry them in your purse, gym bag, what have you. Super great. The next kit is the relief kit. And this will be to help with any aches or discomforts that you may have. It comes with a 5 ml bottle of Deep Blue, a full-size bottle of the Aroma Touch or Massage Blend. Comes with a bottle of the Deep Blue polyphenols, Deep Blue rub samples. Again, easy to throw in a gym bag, a purse, or what have you. A deep blue relief ball. I've been using it to massage the pads of my thumbs, down in the tissuey area, and it is stinking awesome. And a navy blue case to carry it in. Month 2, you will get a full-size bottle of wintergreen, Copaiba soft gels, deep blue rub, and a deep blue rub refillable mini applicator. You guys, I saw the prototype for this. It is awesome. I am most excited to get this. I think I truly am. It's so crazy. I am so excited. I cannot wait to get it. It is awesome. And month 3, you will get a 15 milliliter bottle of past tense, a small bottle of the deep blue oil, turmeric capsules, a mini FCO, and 3 rollers so you can create whatever mixtures you want on your own. If you'll notice, the past tense does come in a bottle with a child safety cap now. That is the new way that we're going to be getting them to make sure that it's always safe in the hands if it's accidentally getting in the hands of littles. The Mind and Mood Kit. Month 1, you get a full-size bottle of Balance, a mini Balance deodorant, adaptive capsules, a 10 ml roller of adapted, and the light blue case. I take the adaptive capsules almost daily. My dad and brother have them accessible upstairs. They're in my nightstand, they're in my purse, they're on the table upstairs. Balance was my gateway oil. Anybody who's ever met me knows I love Balance. And if you watch more of my videos, you will know I love Balance as well. Month 2, you get a thing of bath salt. It's not scented at all, so you can add whatever you want in there. A bottle of black spruce, a lavender roller, a 15 ml of adaptive, and a 15 ml of wild orange. BT dubs, the two mixed together. Amazing. Then month 3, you will get a mini body butter, again unscented, so you can add whatever you want to it. A Balance roller, which is something that is not currently sold, so that's one of the fun little bonus freebies. A Serenity room spray, which was available in the holiday collection either last year or the year before, so not something that you can currently get. An adaptive spray, again, something you can't currently get. 15 ml of cedarwood, citrus bliss, and lavender, all just automatically sent to you with education on the package of how to use them. Here are the add-ons that you will be able to get with the immunity kit. You can add up to 3 of these each month, and you can get a Melissa oil, On Guard beadlets, On Guard soft gels, Copaiba soft gels, turmeric dual caps, and the Luluz diffuser. The Luluz was just released at convention and will be available for an add-on October 5th in the US. I have a graphic for the exact cost breakdown that I can share with anybody interested. Just go ahead and comment below this video or shoot me an email linked in my profile. With the relief kit, you can add an Aroma Touch, a bottle of Helichrysum, full-size Copaiba soft gels, turmeric dual caps, or the deep blue polyphenol complex. Some people would like all of the supplements each month. They have more of a regimen. That way you can customize it to you, because each month you're not going to get the deep blue in the kit, but you can add it, the polyphenols. Same with the turmeric or the Copaiba. You can add them if that's what you want at a discounted price. Love that. And then the Mind and Mood. You can add Steady or Thinker. Those are 2 of the kids blends. Thinker is the focus blend, and Steady is the grounding blend, I believe. Copaiba soft gels, Serenity soft gels, adaptive soft gels, and the Luluz diffuser, again, all can be added on for 20% savings. You guys, that is amazing and super, super generous of doTERRA. I am beyond excited to start one of these programs myself. I haven't fully decided which one I want to start first. I have gotten the first one of each one to test out. I got it at convention, and I'm just super, super excited to see where this goes. So if there is anything else you want to know, or more specifically, if you'd like to know which of the new tracks are best for you, go ahead and text the word quiz, just quiz, to 813-0060, and I will send you a link to answer a few questions so we can decide which of the kits would be best for you. So that is all that I have right now on these amazing, amazing programs. I cannot wait to get started and see what you guys want to use. Have a good one.